How to make payment in booking.com. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today, in this video, I'll guide you through the steps to make payment on booking.com. So be sure to watch until the very end of the video. So first of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of booking.com application on your mobile device, and also make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. So booking.com is an app and a website where you can book flights, hotel rooms, and more. When making a booking, the payment process may vary depending on the hotel or the property you choose. For example, if you search for available hotel rooms and the hotel indicates that no prepayment is required, you can book now and pay later. You will see the option that state no prepayment needed highlighted in green color. And however, if a property requires prepayment, you will need to pay for your stay in advance. In this case, you can pay directly from the booking page. Click on Reserve. Enter your details such as your name, last name, email address, country, phone number, and the primary purpose of the trip. And in the next page, you can go through the on-screen instructions. Ultimately, the payment terms depend on the property and its policies. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and thank you for watching.